You want the score on the left or the score on the right? Your digital SAT exam is near, and chances are you've put a ton of work in for this moment. So it'd be a total shame to let it all slip away by not doing 5 simple things on test day. And if you miss even one, everything falls apart. These are the exact secret advanced strategies used by the top 1% of scorers, and I'll break down each one step by step so you can use them as well. So, our first strategy here is the 2-pass rule. The 2-pass rule is essentially where you want to scoop up the easy points and then hunt down the hard ones. So start by answering all the questions that you find super easy and straightforward and quick to solve on your first pass through of the exam and module. These questions ensure that you get those free points without getting bogged down. Now, once the easy questions are out of the way, you want to circle back for a second pass to focus your energy on the tougher problems that require more time or deeper thinking. This method is going to prevent those tricky questions from stealing your time that could be spent guaranteeing points and helping you maximize your overall score effectively. The second thing you must master is the familiar trap alert. Don't let deja vu fool your brain, okay? It's natural to feel when a question starts to resemble something you've practiced before, but the SAT often changes details or answer choices to trick you. So assuming the answer is the same can lead to careless mistakes. Be super careful and analyze the prompt, answer choices, passage details, anything. This will keep you sharp and prevent any overconfidence issues and sabotage your score. Next thing that you must be wary of is the no regret guesses. Choose a safe bet when you're forced to guess, right? So if time is running out or you're stuck on a question, it's better to make a thoughtful guess than just leave it blank, obviously. But don't just guess randomly. Use your logic, your intuition, and eliminate anything that is obviously wrong, and then pick the answer that's the most plausible or consistent with the details that you have. This no regret guessing strategy will reduce the risk of you losing points and increase your chances of getting a few extra points by playing it smart. The next thing you need to master is the word swap test. Okay, you want to simplify confusing words on the fly. The SAT loves to throw complex vocab and awkwardly worded sentences at you, especially in the reading section. So if a question or a passage starts feeling confusing, try to mentally replace these difficult and unfamiliar words with something more simple and more familiar. This helps you clarify the meaning quickly without wasting time looking up definitions in your mind. Word swap test will also improve your comprehension and keep your test pace steady. Don't go anywhere yet because we actually have a bonus killer tip. But the fifth thing you need to know is the targeted reading preview. What does this mean? Basically, before you read a passage in detail, glance at the question and identify exactly what information you need. This targeted approach will let you skim or even skip irrelevant parts of the passage, saving you precious time. So by focusing only on the section that matters, you reduce any distractions, ultimately improve your accuracy, you make your reading more efficient overall, especially on those longer or more dense passages. Now we're on to the killer bonus tip, and that is to subscribe to the channel for plus 100 SAT points on your exam guarantee. Now don't go anywhere, and let's be serious. If you're prepping for the SAT, right, it's probably because you want to get into the college of your dreams. And honestly, if I asked you to choose between a 1600 SAT score or getting into your dream school, I bet 99% of you would pick the school every time, right? Because the SAT is simply a college entrance exam. That's the purpose it serves. And that's exactly why you, right now, have the opportunity to do just that by simply subscribing to our 100% free newsletter, Spike. Every week, you're going to get concise nuggets of gold on everything college admissions related to help you get in. The link is in the description. Thank you all for watching and best of luck on your exam.